Stewie, you didn't know how to make coffee, so stop playing with the keys and I'll teach you. Come here. Stewie. Stewie, look. You're distracted. You're distracted and I'm trying to teach you something. Do you want to learn or do you want to just set off the car alarm? Stewie, look. We poured in 2 cups of water. So now, those are your feathers, but that doesn't mean you should mess with them. So now what we do is we pour in 1 scoop. Stewie, are you paying attention? Stewie, look Stewie, Stewie-oo, Stewie-oo. Okay, you're looking. Now, 2 scoops. Yes, that's coffee, good job. Those are keys. And then I like to add another scoop because I have an addiction to caffeine. And then sometimes when I'm having a really stressful day, I just go ahead and add that last extra little change scoop. Okay? Always close your coffee tight. Good. Good. Yeah, so that the bird doesn't knock it over and spill it. And also, if you use airtight, airtight, then your coffee will stay good longer. Okay? Yeah, I know there's a lot of coffee here. I know, I like it. We got 2 machines going. I'll teach you how to use that one tomorrow. Okay, so then all you do is close the lid and you push brew now. Oh look, 10 more minutes. Hey, hey, step up. Step up. Be nice. Step up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. The coffee maker is going to get hot and we shouldn't be near it when it's hot. Okay, are you ready? We're going to wait for it to brew now, okay? Yeah, it's exciting. We're learning new things. It's always fun to learn new things. It gets hot. It's hot. Ow, it's hot. Ow, don't touch it, okay? And that's why we have airtight lids on all of our things on the counter. And accept that. Come on. I don't know why there are CDs on the counter. I guess so that we can jam out as soon as we're ready. It's hot. Ow. It's hot. Hot. Okay, step up. Let's go. Hey, we need to be nice or we go home, remember? I'm gonna move that and that so you can't touch it. I'm gonna put it with the other ones. Step up. Step up. Come on. Oh, okay. I'll give you pets. But step up. Come on, let's go. Good bird. You're a good bird sometimes. Okay. Since that's hot, we're going to move over here. There you go. Do you got to poop? Do you got to poop? Go poop. Yeah, it's almost ready. Do you gotta poop? Do you gotta poop? No. Do you gotta poop? No? You're shaking your head? Okay, that's a big 10-4. Don't go over there. Okay, just don't touch it. It's hot. I mean, it's uncomfortable, but it won't burn you. All right, that's how you make coffee. Now I'm gonna teach you, don't bite, don't bite. Now I'm gonna teach you how I like to mix my coffee. Okay, first you get your favorite cup. We don't bite cups. We drink out of cups. You're right. Okay, first, get your favorite cup. Then, pour your coffee in the cup. That still looks weak to me. I must be really tired today. Okay. Oops. Then, you get your sugar. I lied. It's not real sugar. Always put things back where you found them. Stewie, where are you going? Okay. Okay, bird. Alright. I'm going to use 2 today because I'm feeling extra. I'm feeling extra equal today. It's all about equality. Do you want that? You can have that. Artificial sweetener is bad for you. Don't eat that. Okay, then you throw that away in a minute. But then you need to get your eco-friendly stirrer. And you stir it. Do you want to stir it? No. Try again. Try again. Stewie, try again. Stewie. You know, you're not the best student I've taught. I have to say. I wish you would focus more. I'm going to write home to your parents. Then you get your milk. We're going to use lactose free because I'm an adult. And then you stir it again. Notice we put the sugar in before the milk so that the sugar would dissolve properly. I say sugar, but we all know it wasn't real sugar. And then you stir. Stewie, you want to stir it? You want to try? Good bird. Good bird. Oh, I mean, you did your best. And we're going to take that away from you because birds should never drink caffeine. They're already too excitable. I'm going to throw that away just like we promised. There you go, Stewie. Today you learned